Hello everyone and welcome to PC Tips Pro. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of online advertising and show you how to create a successful search campaign on Google Ads. So whether you're a beginner or looking to fine-tune your skills, we've got you covered. The first step is setting up your Google Ads account. If you haven't already, head over to ads.google.com and follow prompts to create your account. I have already created a video on how to create a Google Ads account, so if you have any trouble creating your account, just go check that video out. Once your account is set up, just click on Start Now. And then you will just arrive on the Google Ads dashboard. Now here you'll find all the tools and features you need to manage your campaigns. Familiarize yourself with the layout, including the campaigns, ad groups, and keywords tabs. So to start creating up your campaign, just click on this plus symbol that you will see just under the campaigns tab. So click on it, then click on new campaign. So here Google wants to give us some guidance by asking for our campaign objective. However, just click on create a campaign without a goals guidance. By choosing that option, we keep full control over our campaign. Then we have to select a campaign type. In this video, we are going to create a search campaign using simple text ads. Those are the kinds of ads that you see when you search for something on Google. So just select on search. Now in here, we need to determine what should happen when someone clicks on our ads. You can select this according to your needs. If you are looking for more website visits, just select this. If you are looking for more app downloads, if you are creating an ad for an app that you want people to recognize and download, just select app downloads, or you can also choose phone calls. I'm gonna choose here website visits. Now in here, you'll have to add your website's URL. So just go ahead and add that. In this video, we're gonna be creating a search ad for an online store selling old books. We wanna get new visitors to our website. Once we've entered the URL, just go down. And next, it would ask you for a goal that you would like to focus on. Now in here, you can choose from all the different types of goals that are listed here. Choosing a goal is very important because Google would then optimize all the data and show your ads to only those people whose needs coincides with your goals. So for an example, my website is a bookstore website where I'll be selling old books. So my goal would be purchase. So I'll select purchase. So once you've chosen your goal, now just go down. And here you have to enter your campaign name. Now we have to define our general campaign settings that will apply to all of the ads inside of a new campaign. So let's give our campaign a name that reflects exactly what we are advertising. And then just click on agree and continue. Here we have come to the bidding section. These settings will define how much you're willing to pay for one click on your ad and also your bidding strategy. To start off this campaign, we're gonna leave the focus on clicks. So just select clicks, and then we'll have to set our maximum cost per bidding. I'm gonna set here to 10 rupees. Now once you've done that, just go down and click on next. Now In this step, we want to make sure to deselect the display network. This is really important so you don't waste any money on useless clicks. You can leave the search network enabled if you want to, but I like to turn it off in the beginning so my ads only show up on the standard Google search engine. Then just go down and here we have the location settings. You want to make sure that your ads will only be seen by people who are your ideal customers. So you can select all the places that you want to select from here. Like I'm gonna target Indian audience, so I'm gonna select India. Now once you've done that, if you go down, now in here it will ask you to select your language. Now by default English is already stated here. If you want, you can add any other language. For an example, I want to add Hindi, so I'm gonna add that. Select it, and this is added. Now you have to add the languages according to the type of business that you're doing and what type of audience you want to target. Now after that, just go down and click on more settings. Here you can define a start and end date for your campaign. So here I'm going to select a start and an end date. If you don't plan on regularly checking your Google Ads account, I recommend to set an end date so Google doesn't keep charging your credit card in case you forget to turn off your ads. If you only want your ads to show up at a specific time during the day, then you can define your ad schedule here. And once you've done that, then just click on next. Now we are at the ad group level, and in here we can define the search terms, also called as keywords, that we want our ads to show up for. I recommend to dedicate one ad group to one keyword group so that we can make our ads as relevant as possible for our keywords. This strategy will make sure that we get the highest quality possible so that we get the best place on Google and pay as little as possible for our clicks. So for example, in the first ad group, we're going to target the keyword old books. And then we're going to define our keyword match types. The keyword match types define what combination of our keyword group, that is old books, will trigger our ad. First, we're going to use the exact match by putting brackets around our keyword so that whenever somebody exactly types in old books, our ad can show up. Then we're also going to use the phrase match by putting quotation mark around our keywords. In that way, whenever someone types in a phrase including our keyword old books, our ad can also show up. And then we're also going to use the so-called modified broad match so that our ads will also show up when people use the word old and the word books in the phrase that they type in the search bar. Now if you want to add more keywords, if you go down, Google would show you options for your keywords. So if you click on view, here you will get a list of keywords that you can use here. If you click on apply, all the keywords would be applied here. Now if you go down, we'll arrive at the ad level of our campaign. So this is where we create the actual ads for our ad groups. The ads that we're going to create here is exactly what people will see when they type in our targeted keywords. Now in here you'll see something that says display path. So it is what's shown to people when they see the ad, but it's not where people will go when they actually click on the ad. So we can also use this path to make our ad more relevant to our keyword. So we're just going to type in our keyword, that is old books, and that's it. Then just go down, and in here you'll get the option to add in all of your headlines. So in here it says that at least 3 headlines are required. So let's go ahead and add in our headlines. So while adding your headlines, make sure to use your keyword, in my case that is old books, to make sure that our ad is as relevant as possible to our target search term. So once this is done, just go down, and now in here we'll have to add descriptions. For the ad description, we're also going to use our keyword at least once or twice, and we make sure to use as many characters as we can. Now that's because we want our ads to take up as much real estate as possible to boost our click-through rate. Now, if you go up, in here you can also see a preview of what your ad would look like on your mobile apps or your laptops. Now, just go back, and in here you can choose to add your business name and logos by getting the access, or you can just avoid that. Now this is where you would need to add your site links. So click on that. For this campaign, we're going to add 4 site link extensions that leads to different pages on our online store. So once you're done adding your site links, you can also add your callouts extensions from here. And then if you click on more asset types, here it will ask you to add in your phone number or your prices or promotions. So if you want, you can add your phone number here. And now just click on next. Now in here you would need to set up your budget. So if you click on this, you can set your own custom budget from here. If you see down here, it's gonna show you how much money you would spend on weekly clicks and your total weekly cost and your average CPC. Now if you want, you can set up your own budget. So just add in the budget that you would like to spend. And once you do that, here you will see your average CPC and weekly cost. It's redefined. So now just click on next. And so once you're done doing all that, you can review your ad from here. So if you want, you can make any changes from here. Just see what you have selected for all your ads. And once you're done, just click on Publish Campaign. And after this, Google would then review your ad in 2 or 3 days and then give you a response. So that was all about how to create a search campaign on Google Ads. Now, if you have any queries regarding this video, please make sure to put them in the comments box. And also, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to PC Tips Pro to be regularly updated with these helpful tech content. Thank you for watching, guys.